A avalanche, snow slides down the hill. Alligator slips and slides, snapping still.
B blizzard.
Snowflakes swirl all around. Bunny hops carefully on the frozen ground.
Cyclone.
Winds spin high. Cat clings tight as leaves fly by.
D drought.
Land is dry and brown. Dog digs for water all around town.
E earthquake.
Rumble, shake and crack. Elephant stumbles, then gets back on track.
Flood.
Water rushing fast. Fox climbs trees to stay safe at last.
Gale.
Strong winds blow. Giraffe bends low so it won't fall below.
Hailstorm.
Icy stones fall down. Hippo hides under a big green crown.
Ice storm.
Freezing rain so bright, iguana shivers all through the night.
Jet stream.
Storm zoom past. Jaguar sprints but can't go fast.
Katabatic wind.
Sliding steep and fast. Kangaroo hops and lands at last.
L landslide.
Rocks tumble down. Lion roars loudly, shaking the ground.
Monsoon.
Heavy rains pour. Monkey swings and splashes more.
And nor'easter.
Snow and icy rain. Newt slides carefully through the lane.
O outbreak.
Thunder crashes near. Ostrich runs fast, filled with cheer.
P pyroclastic flow.
Volcano fire waves. Panda climbs high, brave and brave.
Q quicksand.
Pulling you in. Quail flaps wings, tries to win.
R rockfall.
Boulders tumble free. Rhino charges to the nearest tree.
Storm surge.
Ocean waves so tall. Seal dives deep to escape it all.
T tornado.
Spinning in the sky. Tiger roars loudly as winds pass by. Underwater volcano, lava bubbles rise. Uriel watches with wide open eyes.
Volcano.
Fire and smoke soar high. Vulture circle safely in the sky.
Wildfire.
Forest crackles bright. Walrus swims safely through the night.
X xenon gas.
Hissing in the air. Zurus hides with careful care.
Yard accident.
Bang and crash so loud. Yak looks startled in the moving crowd. Zombie. Fires underground. Zebra runs fast with crackling sound.
A is for angel, flying so high. Angel up in the sky, fly, fly, fly. B is for bells, jingling bright. Beep, 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 bells ring all night. Ding, ding, delight. C is for candy, sweet and red. C, 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 candy, yum in your head. Lick, lick, spread. D is for decorations, sparkling with glee. D, 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 decorations hang on the tree. Twinkle, twinkle, see. E is for elf, busy at play. E, 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 elf working all day. Zip, zap, hooray. F is for fireplace, warm and bright. F, 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 fireplace, cozy tonight. Crackle, pop, delight. G is for gift, wrapped up tight. G, G, Jit, open with might. Surprise, surprise, what a sight. H is for holly, red and green. A, A, H, holly, the prettiest you've seen. Jingle, jangle, clean. I is for icicles, hanging like glass. Icicles twinkle and pass. Drip, drop, splash. J is for joy, laughter and cheer. J, 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 everyone near. Ha, 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 here. K is for Kris Kringle, Santa's old name. K, 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 Kris Kringle, bringing good fame. Ho, 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 game. L is for lights, glowing so bright. L, 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 lights twinkle at night. Blink, blink, what a sight. M is for mistletoe, kiss below. Mistletoe, love will grow. Smooch, smooch, snow. N is for nutcracker, standing so tall. Nutcracker, guarding the hall. Snap, crack, all. O is for ornament, shiny and round. O, 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 ornament, hang it all around. Ding, sweet. P, 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 peppermint, a tasty treat. Lick, lick, B. Q is for quiet night, peaceful and calm. Q, 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 quiet night like a soothing balm. Shh, psalm. R is for reindeer running so fast. R, 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 reindeer over rooftops they pass. Clip, clop, dash. S is for Santa, laughing with glee. S, S, Santa, ho, ho, ho. Yippee. T is for tree, standing so tall. T, 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 tree, decorated for all. Twinkle, twinkle, ball. U is for unwrap, tearing the paper. U, unwrap. Excitement, caper, rip, zip, caper. V is for village, snowy and bright. V, 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 village, glowing tonight. Chime, chime, light. W is for wreath, hanging on the door. Wreath, 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 welcome once more. Bow, bow, hooray. X is for Xmas, stockings hung in a row. X, X, stockings, what a show. Jingle, jingle, go. Y is for you log, burning so bright. You log, warm in the night. Crackle, pop, delight. Z is for zigzag, candy cane, sweet and fun. Z, 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 candy cane, tasty for everyone. Lick, lick, yum. A is for apple, crunchy and red. A, apple, take a bite, yum in your head. B is for banana, yellow and sweet. Beep, beep, banana, peel and eat. Slip, slap, treat. C is for cherry, small and round. C, C, cherry, pop it down. Hop, hop, sound. D is for dragon fruit, bright and pink. D, D, dragon fruit, taste and think. Wow, wow, drink. E is for elderberry, tiny and blue. E, E, elderberry, tasty for you. Chew, chew, woo. F is for fig, soft and sweet. F, F, fig, a yummy treat. Bite, bite, neat. G is for grapes, purple or green. G, G, grapes, juicy and clean. Squish, squash, seen. H is for honeydew, melon so bright. H has honeydew, taste delight. Slurp, slurp, bite. I is for Indian fig, prickly pear fun. I, Indian fig, enjoy everyone. Poke, poke, run. J is for jackfruit, big and tall. J, J, jackfruit, pieces for all. Chop, chop, call. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and green. K, K, kiwi, cut and lean. Scoop, scoop, seen. L is for lemon, sour and bright. L, L, lemon, make a bite. Zing, zang, light. M is for mango, king of the fruits. M, M, mango, sweet recruits. Choo, choo, hoots. N is for nectarine, smooth and round. N, N, nectarine, taste profound. Munch, munch, sound. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. O, O, orange, peel to eat. Squish, squish, treat. P is for papaya, tropical delight. P, P, papaya, slice so ripe. Yum, yum, bite. Q is for quince, golden and rare. Q, Q, quince, taste with care. Bite, bite, share. R is for raspberry, red and small. R, R, raspberry, pick them all. Pop, pop, call. S is for strawberry, juicy and red. S, S, strawberry, put it in your bread. Munch, munch, spread. T is for tomato, round and bright. T, T, tomato, ripe tonight. Slice, slice, bite. U is for ugly fruit, tangy and fun. U, ugly fruit, try everyone. Chew, chew, run. V is for vuvanga, tangy delight. V, V, vuvanga, tastes just right. Nibble, nibble, bite. W is for watermelon, green outside, red and W, watermelon, take a spin. Slice, slice, grin. X is for seagull, Chinese watermelon treat. X, X, seagull, juicy and sweet. Pop, pop, eat. Y is for yellow passion fruit, tart and bright. Y, Y, passion fruit, what a bite. Slurp, slurp, light. C is for zucchini, yes, it's a fruit too green and neat. See, zucchini, tasty to eat. Chop, chop, feet.